Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Now, as I'm talking to you, I'm communicating to you, right? I'm giving you some information regarding the EVS every time we select one topic which is given in the book, and that is how I make you aware about the different topic. So, teacher जो बोल रही है and you are listening, it has been reaching you. ठीक है? This is called communication. We express our feeling, we express our thought through communication. Okay, when you are sad, when you're talking to your mama, oh mama ये ऐसा हो गया, देखो ना उसने मुझे मारा, मुझे लग गई. What is this? This is the way you are communicating. Then you communicate to your friend through mobile, or maybe she's staying next door. You go to her house and you talk to her directly. So this is what is communication is all about. We are communicating. So today we are going to speak about, or we are going to learn about the communication. ठीक है बेटा? We all need to talk to others and share our thoughts and feelings. Yes or no? Yes. So when we talk, or when we, not only when we are talking, when you're writing something, writing a letter to your friend also, that is also a way of communicating better. Okay, so communication now actually it is quite advanced nowadays. I'll tell you now. Let me finish this, that when we talk or write to someone, it is called communication. In earlier days, पुराने ज़माने में, they were the kings ना, राजा होते थे. They used to beat the drums to communicate to the people. सुनो सुनो सुनो, आज राजा ने ऐसा ऐसा कहा है, महाराज का ऐसा ऐसा निर्देश है. So they used to beat the drum, and of course that kingdom used to be very small, so people used to be able to hear, and उनको समझ जाता था कि oh, there is some message from the king. Then gradually the messenger started. Now from one king want to send a message to the other king, so they started sending the messenger, and that man used to ride on the horse and he used to call as a messenger. Okay, but then after, so gradually what happened? They started using the pigeon. They used to tie the letter to the pigeon, and the pigeon were trained that way. They used to reach the proper destination, and they used to reach the letters also. Okay, from one kingdom to the other kingdom. Then gradually various kinds of communication started beta. So let us begin. Now this chapter is going to deal about all these things, so I think we should concentrate on the teaching part. Okay. Means of communication, anything that we use to communicate with others. Okay, let me tell you where I'm reading. Anything that we use to communicate with others is called as means of communication. It is called as means of communication. This is called as, it is called as means of communication. These means have changed with the time. पहले अलग था. Now the slowly, the gradually the situation is, it is changed now. Olden means of communication, what it was, here this see, he is a messenger. ये लेटर लेके मैसेज लेके आता था. ठीक है. Then I told you ना, they used to beat a drum. Like a warning sort of was given, or maybe some king wants to convey the message to the people. That time also they used to beat the drum. Then later they started using the pigeon, and then gradually they started using the fire and the smoke to send the message to the other person. Okay, now till a few years back, कुछ साल पहले तक, you can ask your granny also that letters were only the means of communication. बेटा सिर्फ लोग चिट्ठी लिखते थे. And yes, we had a landlines, phones था, but उसके पहले भी we started with sending the postcard. Letters लिखते थे लोग, चिट्ठी लिखते थे envelope में डाल के. So first what they used to do, you have to post the letter. Number one, you have to write the address on the letter, and you have to put it in the envelope. Then you need to post it in the letter box. Then the postman comes, he sorts the letter, he takes the letter from the post box, he take it to the post office. और यहाँ पे sorting होती है, like area wise. Like नागपुर में धंतोली, वर्धमान, so all the letter of वर्धमान one side. Okay, धंतोली letters on one side as per the pin code, as that. Okay, pin code. Then after that, the postman used to take the letter, and that is how he delivers the letter to your home. So the postman also plays a very important role, but it is being a slow process. So now the people are this is called a postal communication, children. इसको postal communication बोलते हैं. The people have started using the various other means of communication also. Take an example of the envelope reaching to your house. Excuse me, reaching to your house through the courier service. Okay, they are the private services, they are not the government services. They charge more, and they deliver the envelopes and the letters and the parcels on the right time. Okay, uh, faster than what the post office the people are doing it. Okay, now this is a flow chart I have made. Once again, a revision of how the letter reaches. Number one, you have to write a letter, you have to put it in the envelope, and you have to seal it. You have to write a letter, put it in the envelope and seal it. But for this, what you have to do, you have to write the address of the receiver on the envelope, and also you have to stick the stamp on the envelope. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉप द लेटर इन द लेटर बॉक्स. जब आपने एड्रेस लिख लिया, उसके ऊपर में स्टैम्प लगा दिया, देन यू हैव टू पुट इट इन द लेटर बॉक्स रेड कलर. देन द पोस्टमैन कलेक्ट्स ऑल द letters from the letter box and take them to the post office. And at the post office, the letters are being sorted out and they have been sent to the different places, children. Then the postman delivers each letter to the addresses written on the envelope. Address और पिन कोड के हिसाब से वो जाके एरिया में लोगों को लेटर देता है. As the envelopes are coming to your house. This time only this much we are going to study. Please listen 2-3 times, children. Try to understand, read the chapter. Okay beta, try to understand whatever I have taught you beta. So later on now we'll continue with the communication. Was the part 1, and part 2 will continue with the communication, various kinds of communication. That's all for today. God bless you, children.